Hi, I want to show you how to close all background apps on Google Pixel 9a. So if you have gesture navigation, like in my case, and you can see this line on the bottom of the screen, then you need to just swipe up till the middle and hold your finger to trigger recents, which are your background apps. To close them, you need to swipe up just like that. If you have here buttons navigation, then find square button, tap it once, and it will open a list of your recently used apps. So again, to close them, just swipe apps up like that. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.